Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded, but here I am once again. I'm gonna be doing these chicken veggie wraps. These are a healthy alternative. I almost forgot what I was gonna say. Alternative, all fancy and shit. It's a healthy alternative, like to the freaking chicken wraps that you get like at McDonald's and stuff. But this one's gonna be more of like a grilled chicken type. These are the seasonings that you're gonna need: adobo, lemon pepper, that pig one, I forgot what it's called, but there it is, and the black pepper. Right here I have my chicken. This is organic chicken, because you gotta be organic sometimes, just sometimes, not all the time, but sometimes. And right here we are just chopping up the pieces of chicken. I already washed my chicken and prepped it, and now I'm just putting it in a bowl. And I'm cutting a lemon because we are gonna squirt some lemon in there. And first I'm gonna add some Goya adobo, and if you don't know, now you know. Just add as much as you want, like my mom says, échale hasta que te dé tu pinche gana. Oh, like that. No, she doesn't say, well, she does sometimes, but okay, anyway, I'm just getting off the topic here. Oh my god, we added our other lemon pepper because the Goya adobo has a little bit of lemon pepper, so I just added a little bit of the other one because I love the taste of that one. And on this one right here, obviously this part, we're adding the black pepper. And then we are gonna add our Famous Dave's roasted seasoning. This seasoning, you guys, I've never tried it until I seen my father-in-law use it in his chicken, and a girl had to snap that because it's so freaking good. So I added that, salt, and then we are gonna add our limon just to make it juicy, I give it juicy. I eat that lunch. So now we're just gonna mix it all up, make sure that all the seasonings and everything are blended together. Now we are gonna add these stir-fry veggies. Yes, I like the ones in the pack because who got time to cut all them veggies up? Not me. Oh, and make sure you wash your vegetables. Now we're just gonna cook up our veggies, let them warm up for a bit, let them get a little bit tender because they're obviously frozen. So we're just gonna let them, marinate or whatever. I don't even know if it's called marinate. Oh my gosh. Okay, our chicken is ready, and now we're just gonna add our veggies and mix it all up. Now we're gonna take our mission wraps. These are the spinach herb ones. I love the taste of this one. If you don't like the spinach ones, you can always use the regular ones. These are 210 calories, but they are obviously a healthier alternative than the regular. And either way, I don't eat the whole tortilla. I just eat half when I cut the wrap, and my son probably will eat the other half, or I'll just save it for later. And now for the cheese that I'm using. This one is the provolone cheese. It is 40 calories, I think, per slice. And obviously, since I cut it in half, I'm just, keeping one side of the cheese. So that's 40 calories for me and 40 calories for later. And right here, if you don't know how to roll it up, let me know. I will do y'all tutorial, okay? It is kind of tricky, but it's possible. FYI, I'm not a professional roller. Now right here, I'm just putting it back in the comal just so it could get a little bit toasty and so that cheese can melt. So delicious, you guys. Look at this. Look at the way I cut this. Just look inside. Let me find out that you're fucking craving this. Let me find out. Comment down below what other recipes you guys would like to see, and I'll see you guys next time. And please do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe.